Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love me. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. When the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Without ever letting you know. Caught up in my teeth. Caught up in my teeth. Just like money when I speak. Caught up in my teeth. And I missed you in the basement. Yeah. Caught up in my teeth. Bodies on the pavement. And if you love me, but you never let me go. And the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Without ever letting you know. Caught up in my teeth. Caught up in my teeth. Just like money when I speak. Caught up in my teeth. And I missed you in the basement. Yeah. Caught up in my teeth. Bodies on the pavement. And if you love me, but you never let me go. And the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love me. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this Kinky straight synthetic unit. This unit was, I believe it was $25 off of AliExpress from Freedom Hair. All links to purchase will be down in the description box as usual. It came in about 4 or 5 days. Not too long at all, but you have to make sure that when you're ordering this type of hair from AliExpress, you have to make sure you put shipped from United States to United States, because if you get it shipped from China, it's gonna take like 22 days or something like that, but we're not trying to wait that long. So yeah, it just came in like a simple traditional packaging, nothing too fancy, just like how the packaging comes for synthetic wigs when you buy them from the hair store. And I got mine in the color 1B. It is lace frontal yaki. It's about 4 inches this way, about 4 inches that way. It came with, well, in the video you'll see me explaining like all the adjustable straps and everything about this unit. I have not experienced too much shedding, just a little bit of shedding. You are expected to get shedding when you wear wigs in general, unless you seal the wefts. If I said seal the wefts, That's how you say it. I don't know. But yeah, so not too much tangling. It does not like stay super straight all times. Like you might have to like play with it a little bit and, you know, run your hands through it, but I have not experienced any shedding. I did kind of take my time with this one. Now usually I was gonna pluck it, you know, just to show that you can customize synthetic wigs, but with the synthetic wigs it's like you can really risk tearing the lace, and I just did not want to do that, so I did not pluck it. But I did, however, it did come with baby hairs. I did swoop a little bit of baby hairs, and then I added a little powder just to separate it a little bit so it doesn't look too thick. Went over with my flat iron briefly because I didn't want it to lose the kinky looking like texture of it. So yeah, this unit is definitely a go-to. I'm definitely excited. I'm thinking about putting it in a ponytail while I'm at work, just so I'm not going like this all day. So yeah, I definitely do give this a 5 stars. I think it's a really great unit. I did add a little bit of powder in the part, of course, just to make it look a little bit more natural. I didn't do any baby hairs on this side only because I'm not wearing that side, so there's no point in me, you know, doing baby hairs. But yeah, I definitely do recommend this unit. It is big head friendly. It is really snug on my head, so I did not have to glue it down with any glue, thank God. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for this unit right here. Oh, and it also did come with a little pair of lashes right here. Just some little natural lashes I can wear on a day where I'm doing like a natural beat face. Do definitely want to show some versatile styles with this. I feel like I can probably do like a half up, half down. So yeah, I'm going to definitely do a video like that showing how you can style this kinky straight wig because I am in love with this. I usually don't do kinky straight. If I do straight hair, it has to be like super flat. But I'm really definitely loving this like kinky texture. Like, it's really cute. Yeah, it's really cute. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye.